Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. The creation of a 1,000-ton crane hook is an extraordinary display of precision and engineering. The process begins with raw material cutting, where high-strength steel is prepared for its transformation. The material is then subjected to upsetting and drawing out to achieve the desired thickness and length. Next comes heating, where the steel is brought to extreme temperatures to enhance malleability. It is then skillfully bent and formed into the hook's iconic shape. Trimming ensures that excess material is removed, refining the piece to precise specifications. Critical to the hook's durability is heat treatment, which strengthens the steel, providing resistance to wear and fatigue. This is followed by machining, where the hook's surfaces are polished and features are fine-tuned to meet stringent tolerances. To protect the finished product, a rust prevention coating is applied. The hooks are then carefully underpacked to prevent damage during transit. After loading, the completed hooks make their way to the client's facility. Finally, the finished hook block is installed in the client's workshop, ready to perform under immense loads. This meticulous process highlights the expertise and dedication behind crafting a tool essential for heavy lifting applications. The result is a product that combines strength, precision, and reliability, ensuring the safety and efficiency of industrial operations. The production of a crane hook is a fascinating journey of precision and strength. It begins with forging, where a high-grade steel block is heated in a furnace until red-hot. Using immense pressure, the steel is shaped into the basic hook form through powerful forging machines, ensuring its structural integrity and resilience. Next comes heat treatment, a critical process to enhance durability and toughness. The hook is subjected to controlled heating and cooling cycles, refining its internal structure to withstand extreme loads. Afterward, trimming removes any excess material, creating a cleaner, more accurate shape. Sandblasting follows, giving the hook a smooth, uniform surface and removing any impurities or scale left from earlier processes. Precision grinding is then carried out to achieve exact dimensions and eliminate imperfections. The hook is meticulously refined to ensure a flawless finish, ready to perform in demanding conditions. Each step in this incredible process combines craftsmanship and technology, ensuring that the crane hook meets the highest safety and performance standards. From raw steel to a finished product, every detail is engineered to perfection, making crane hooks indispensable in lifting heavy loads worldwide.
Manang Shai Forging, located in Lahore, a premier industrial city 800 kilometers from the seaport of Karachi, was established in 1974. Initially, it was a small forge shop producing 250 tons of forgings annually for railway and gas companies. A decade later, the company pioneered the production of automotive forgings in Pakistan, guided by the vision of becoming a flexible enterprise with a diverse manufacturing program. Today, that vision has materialized with 2 forging units and 1 machining plant located in close proximity to each other, making it the largest forging house in the country and an industry leader. Manang Shai Forging is an accredited supplier of quality forged, heat-treated, and machined steel components to prominent original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, such as Massey Ferguson Tractors and Atlas Honda Motorcycles in Pakistan. Since entering the export market in 1996, the company has expanded its reach, with exports now accounting for nearly 40% of its output. It proudly collaborates with internationally renowned customers, upholding stringent quality standards to meet global demands. The foundation of a high-quality forging lies in starting with raw materials that meet precise customer specifications. Given the large variety of parts manufactured, the company maintains a sizable inventory of around 30 different types and sizes of raw materials. Every batch undergoes a stringent set of metallurgical and mechanical tests, setting the stage for uncompromising quality assurance throughout the production process. Once approved, steel stock is sheared and heated to temperatures as high as 1,250 degrees Celsius in induction heaters. The heated steel is then forged, trimmed, and hot-coined. All forging dies are manufactured in-house using state-of-the-art facilities and advanced computer-aided design, CAD, and manufacturing, CAM techniques. These techniques allow the creation of precise 3D models to predict machining behavior and ensure exceptional accuracy. After forging, components undergo normalization or isothermal annealing in modern gas-fired top-hat furnaces with a 1-ton capacity. The furnace's precision minimizes variations in subsequent machining processes. Hardening and tempering are conducted in electric salt bath furnaces, maintaining temperature accuracy within 5 degrees Celsius. To remove scales formed during forging, components are subjected to shot blasting. A visual inspection follows to separate any pieces with surface defects. Next, 100% magnetic particle inspection, MPI, is performed to detect cracks or imperfections. This rigorous inspection ensures that only crack-free components proceed to the machining stage. Components requiring machining are transferred to the machining plant, equipped to handle various applications, including CNC turning, spline hobbing and rolling, broaching, drilling, grinding, and CNC milling. The tooling facility designs all necessary machining jigs and checking fixtures during product development. Extensive use of inspection gauges and frequent checks on CNC machines ensure tight process controls during machining. Additionally, induction hardening of axles up to 1 meter and spindles is carried out with precision. A state-of-the-art CNC coordinate measuring machine further inspects the precision machined components, guaranteeing adherence to specifications. The final inspection occurs in the finishing shop, where components are degreased and subjected to a rust prevention process. Export-bound parts are carefully packed with VCI, volatile corrosion inhibitor, paper, either individually or in boxes lined with the protective material. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that the products arrive at their destination in perfect condition. Manang Shai Forging exemplifies dedication to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. By integrating advanced technology with rigorous quality controls, the company continues to set benchmarks in the forging industry, both domestically and internationally. With nearly half of its output exported to global markets, it stands as a testament to Pakistan's industrial capabilities and commitment to excellence.